Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to download Truth Social application on iPhone. So if you want to download and install the Truth Social application on your iPhone, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to download Truth Social application on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Once open the App Store, click on the search button at the bottom right. Come here and search for Truth Social. Then select it. Hang on for the Truth Social application search result to pop. Click on the Truth Social application to have it like this. Then go ahead and click on Get. Once you hit the Get button, you may be prompted to press the side button twice or type in your Apple account password. Go ahead and type in your Apple account password. Then click on Done. Once you hit the Done button, hang on to sign into your Apple account. And once you've successfully signed into your Apple account on your App Store, on the App Store application, then you should see what that says double click to install. So go ahead and press the side button twice and confirm your Face ID. Once you confirm that, then you should see the Truth Social application downloading and installing on your iPhone. So the time it takes this application to install on your iPhone depends on the strength of your internet connection. And once that is done, then you should see the Truth Social application installed on your iPhone. You can now go ahead, open the Truth Social application via the App Store, or go to your app menu and then open it. So whichever one you choose, you are good. So that is exactly how to download Truth Social app in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.